Hello viewers, welcome to Mufti Farm's YouTube channel. Today I am going to be talking about budgies. Please help me hit that subscribe button before we continue. Budgies, also known as parakeets, are not only adorable but also incredibly affectionate pets. They often form strong bonds with their human companions, and their cheerful chirping can brighten up any day. These little birds are known for their playful nature, making them delightful and sweet companions for bird lovers. Budgies, short for budgerigars, are small parakeets native to Australia. They come in a variety of vibrant colors, including green, blue, yellow, and more. What makes them even sweeter is their ability to mimic sounds, including human speech, which adds a charming and entertaining dimension to their personalities. Thanks for watching.